Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable password logon on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable password logon on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run, you will find an option net PLWIZ. Just type in Run net PLWIZ and then click on OK. You will find an option here. User must enter a username and password to use this computer. Just check this option and now click on Apply, then click OK. Sign out from current user. The computer is prompting me to use password to log on this computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.